What sounds were there to hear before ears grew? Before me and you, before all of us. When dear Mother Nature drew up our plans on a sheet we'll never see, and at first all that she gave us was the dragonfly and the bumbling honeybee. She made the oceans roll, for them a life untold, and rooted trees across the land. And when ears grew, music did too, and now we all dance hand in hand. So once music grew, dancing did too, and we laughed and we clapped and we sang under the mango tree, where Dr. Quango be doing the chop-chop shang-a-lang-a-lang. Sure, my dear, can't you see that it's all fine? Just pluck away on your guitar and my heartstrings will twang in time. There to hear before ears grew, before me and you, before all of us. When dear Mother Nature drew up our plans on a sheet we'll never see, and at first all that she gave us was the dragonfly and the bumbling honeybee. She made the oceans roll, for them a life untold, and rooted trees across the land. When ears grew, music did too, and now we all dance hand in hand.